Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Kumar Sinha. Welcome back once again to my channel with a new topic. Today I will discuss and explain the meaning of economic problems and factors causing it. Simply put, economic problem is the problem of choices that arises in any economy because of scarcity of resources. Now the question arises, choices of what? The choices of our wants or requirements which are to be fulfilled as per its intensity. Now choices of another part, that is choice of resources. Which resources should be put in any other use to fulfill the maximum requirements of an economy? And that arises in any economy, whether it is a developed economy, underdeveloped economy, or developing economy. In any type of economy, this problem of choice arises. Now to elaborate this, let's have some universal facts that is known to all. Number one, that is human wants or requirements are unlimited. As one want is satisfied, more others crop up. जैसे ही एक हम पूरा करते हैं और भी आ जाता है, and this goes on endlessly. But it is also a fact that these wants or requirements differ in their intensities. Some wants need immediate satisfaction and some wants can be put to wait for some other time to be fulfilled. This makes us or enables us to make a choice as to which wants are to be satisfied first according to the priorities set by any economy. Any economy means whether it is a developed or underdeveloped, rich or poor, every economy faces these problems. Number two, second one is that the resources at the disposal of an economy to satisfy these requirements or wants are unlimited, not they are limited in quantity, and they are also scarce in relation to its need. That is, demand for resources is more than its supply. Therefore, it creates the need for making choices in the best use of these resources so that the maximum requirements are to be fulfilled. And third universal fact relates to these resources having alternative uses. Means whatever resources available at the disposal of an economy, they have alternative uses. That is, they can be put to more than one use. But it is also a fact that these resources can be used at a time for only one purpose. And this makes a resource more scarce in nature. Thus, what we observe that there are multiple wants. Wants are unlimited and resources are limited, that is scarcity of resources. These two are the basic facts of life. With unlimited wants and limited resources, it is also a fact that we cannot satisfy all our requirements individually and collectively at the same time. That is why we face compulsion of making a choice as to which wants need immediate satisfaction and how to use those scarce resources in the best possible manner to fulfill the maximum requirements of an economy. Means economic problem is the problem of making choice among those scarce limited resources having alternative uses. That is the simple economic problem. Had the resources been abundance in quantity, then more or abundant quantities of goods and services would have been produced. That is, unlimited quantities would have been produced to satisfy unlimited wants or requirements of any economy, and then there would have been no choice, no problem. Now we learnt that the economic problem is basically the problem of making choices in the use of scarce resources. choices of the wants which are to be fulfilled first. But what are those problems? There are in total 4 problems. Now have a look. Now the 4 economic problems that every economy faces. Number 1 is the problem of allocation of resources, which includes the 3 problems: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. These are called the basic or central problems of an economy. Number 2 is problem of fuller and efficient use of resources. Fuller means full employment. Efficient means using that resource in the best possible manner for which it is suited to. And the number 3 is problem of growth of resources. There must be an increase in the number of resources if we want the economic development. And the 4th problem is the problem of economic growth, that is the objective of every economy. So these are the 4 economic problems that every economy faces. Now, what are those factors that causes it? I just discussed it before as universal facts. Those 3 are the universal fact that happens in any type of economy. Number 1, human wants are unlimited, no end to it. As one want is satisfied, more others crop up. Number 2 is resources are limited in quantity and also scarce in relation to its need, that is demand for resources is more than its supply. And the number 3 is resources are having alternative uses, that is they can be put to more than one use, but at a time it can be used for only one person, and that makes it more scarce. That is all about the simple meaning of economic problem, types of economic problem that every economy faces, and the factors causing these economic problems. See you again in the next video with a new topic.